All right, what is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video. As you can see, behind me is SunTrust Stadium. I am here, or SunTrust Park. God dang. Was squealing. Oh man, what is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video, and as you can see behind me is SunTrust Park. So that means what? We are in Atlanta, and we've actually been here for quite a few days. Look, this is a real quick video. I just wanted to take some time real quickly with you all to let you know what's going on with the channel. I am going to bring some content to you guys every Monday, every Wednesday at 4 p.m. So on Mondays, you are going to see content about the E92 M3, the F10 535 M Sport, whoop whoop, and of course the E53 X5. But not just those cars, or not just my cars, but other cars in general. Look, I am really enjoying talking to you guys about cars. I'm enjoying just being around cars, and I'm enjoying this channel. Regardless of this pandemic that's going on, it's not stopping my shine. It's not stopping my grind. And I am almost done with school, so we got to finish out fall semester and graduate in December. So even though it's probably going to be all online, that's okay. Now, moving forward to Wednesday. Wednesday is the DIY Wednesday episodes. I am noticing that I'm getting a lot of views on DIY Wednesday for especially the E92 M3. So I am going to make sure that I am bringing you guys that content on any and everything with the E92 M3 and any of the other cars as far as DIYs. As I said in a previous video, the upcoming things for, or upcoming maintenance for the E92 M3 is in fact going to be the oil change, the tune-up, which tune-up is going to be, or let's just say an A service. The A service is going to be the oil change, filters, fluids, things like that. So that's what's getting ready to happen with the car. I'm also looking at doing a wrap. That is in due. It is time to get the car wrapped. I've got a crazy color in mind, so I'm looking forward to doing that, so stay tuned for that. If you got any ideas of what the wrap could be, or if you have any suggestions of what color to wrap the car in, because I have seen the E92 M3 in many colors, bonkers colors, so I want to do something that's a little different. I've only seen a couple with this color, but it's still going to be a different shade of that color, but there's not a color that is seen on the E92 M3 or the E9X M3s, period. So I'm looking to do that. Stay tuned for that. There's just a lot coming up with the channel. I'm excited. You guys should be excited to see what the content is that's coming. All right, so with all that said and done, I'm getting ready to get out of here because we are on the road back to Wisconsin. Actually going to stop off and see some family in Indianapolis, but we're on our way back to Wisconsin. Had a great time here in Atlanta, visiting my family. Oh my gosh, man, just reminiscing, having a great time, and actually hanging out, of course, with my son, which we had an amazing time, and just realizing how much impact Atlanta has had on my life. Atlanta has made me who I am. I have a lot of wisdom. I have a lot of experience. Hey, man, and I got a lot of just gumption and grit from being right here in Atlanta, and that's what living in Atlanta or growing up in Atlanta will do to you. So, if you know anybody from the A, hopefully they true. All right, let me get up out of here. It is time for us to roll. So, as I've said before, you know, thank you to the servicemen and women that are serving, active duty members, all of my fellow veterans, the first responders, all of the medical workers that are out there taking care of us during this pandemic. Big salute to all of you. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any further content. I'm telling you, stay tuned. Let's get out of here. You all know what to do, and what is that? Keep driving.